Good day, UMS 11, STEM 11, and ABM 11. Welcome to our discussion in empowerment technology. So previously, we discussed about the ICT collaborative tools, and today I will be sharing about the interactive multimedia. Most websites today are interactive experience. They can contain text, graphics, animation, sound, video, and even a three-dimensional virtual from reality objects. A growing number of today's web-based application and services are referred to as Web 2.0 application. Web 2.0 generally refers to the application and services to choose the web as a platform to deliver rich application that enable people to collaborate, socialize, and share information online. Some Web 2.0 applications such as cloud computing have been discussed in our previous discussion. Now, the lesson objectives of this lesson are, and at the end of this lesson, you should be able to improve the interactivity of your websites. We already created your website, so today we will improve that. We will add some multimedia to your website, and then next is to identify the different multimedia content, and of course you need to embed multimedia content on website. So now, what is multimedia? Multimedia refers to application that involves more than one type of nature such as text, images, video, animation, and sounds. Multimedia is used in a wide variety of applications both on and off the web, while multimedia refers to the integration of a variety of media. We have also here the web-based multimedia. When we say web-based multimedia, it is also called rich media. It refers typically to sounds, video, or animation. Multimedia website often contain other interactive elements that the user interacts with directly, such as playing or posting a video clip, controlling a three-dimensional object, or playing a game. Now, what media web page are interactive websites? It often contain other interactive elements that the user interacts with their directly explaining or posting of the clip, or controlling a three-dimensional project or painting again. In fact, the vast majority of websites today include multimedia. So, for instance, it is often used in a web page advertisement such as photos and video clips in banner ads. As a regular website content such as TV shows and photo posted on the TV network websites, or podcasts and product videos available by a company websites, or as a user-generated content uploaded to website like YouTube, or photos uploaded to Facebook. Now we have the different elements of multimedia. The number one is text. When we say text, it is used to deliver content as well as for instructional or instruction menus and hyperlinks. We also have here the image or graphics. It refers to digital representation of photographs, drawing chart, and other visual objects. We already discussed the common graphic format like GIF or the graphics interchange format. We also discussed the portable network graphics or the PNG format, and also the JPEG format, which is the Joint Photographic Expert Group. So I will not discuss that more further. So we also have the animation. It consists of a series of graphical images display one after the other to simulate movement, like Java applets, animated GIF, JavaScript web application, and Flash Silverlight animation are common on web pages today. Some animated elements require applied interviews. Another is the audio. It includes all types of sounds like music, spoken voice, and sound effects. And of course, the video. which is the continuous stream of visual information captured as a series of separate images or frames. Audio and video and English are frequently compressed to reduce the finished file size. Web-based audio and video can be delivered as streaming in order to reduce the amount of time required before the content begins to play. So next we have the content of multimedia. So the number one is sound, music or audio. The number of music available today for online music, such as listening to my broadcast via online radio station, watching music videos on my mtv.com or Yahoo Music, listening to or downloading music on demand via a monthly online music subscription service like iTunes Music for iPhone or the Amazon MP3, and also we have that Fortify. The second one means the online games. Only in the first two games played on the over the internet. Now, many sites, especially children's websites, includes games for visitors to play. There are also sites whose sole purpose is for hosting games that can be played online. Some of the games are designed to be played alone or with this one and other person, either called home with player games are designed to be played fine against many other only use online multiplayer games are like to own every course by offenders in MCT of Heroes, which is an example of it. And the third one, we have the online test. In both distance learning and traditional classes, online testing, which is allow students to take tests via the internet, is a growing trend that both objective tests such as those containing multiple choice or the true or false question and performance-based exams such as those given in computer classes. The test students master of software application can be administered and taken online. For instance, there are some or disclosed assessments monitored tests available for use in conjunction with the textbook to test both Microsoft Office. The next one, we have the online TV, videos, and movies. Watching TV shows, video, movies online is another very popular type of online entertainment. YouTube and the Internet Movie Database or the IMDb opponent TV shows and may be stuck because of visitors from much work for free. We also include your networks, and another content is courseware or the web-based training. The term web-based training refers to any instruction delivered by the web. So what I am doing right now is an example of web-based training. It's commonly used for employees training as well as for delivering instruction in an educational setting. Distance learning occurs whenever students take courageous for allocation, often home or work, which is different from the one where the delivery of instruction takes place. Distance learning today typically includes web-based, then either online learning tools, and it's also called online learning and e-learning, and is available for many high schools, colleges, and universities, as well as an organization that provides professional certifications. Distance learning can be used to learn these one task on your screen. It can be also used to complete an online course or a handheld degree online via an accredited college or university. Typically, the majority of distance learning coursework work is completed over the internet via classes, web pages, YouTube videos, webinars, fabcasts, discussion, group emails, and learning management system like Blackboard. So we go on a Google Classroom or just an example of learning management system. So another content of multimedia, there is a podcast. When we say podcast, is an episodic series of audio text files streamed online like we have Dead Dogs is an example of that. We also have the broadcast an episodic series of video stream online. We have the YouTube series. Those are the multimedia content. Another one is we have the online writing, or commonly we know this as blogging. It is another form of online writing, sometimes used for educational purposes, meaning we also have read the weekly Mickey's name for the Hawaiian phrase wiki wiki. It means quick are a way for creating and editing collaborative web pages quickly and easily, similar to a blog. The fan can own a wiki page, can be edited and republished to the web just by pressing a save or a semi button. However, wikis are intended to be monitored by others, and so are split, and so especially appropriate for collaboration such as for a class web page or group project. We also have a deep portfolio, also called an electronic portfolio or a digital portfolio, is a collection of an individual's work accessible to a website. Today's portfolios are typically to a collection of students' related information such as resume, people's project, and other original works. Some reports are used for a single course, others are designed to be used and updated throughout a student's educational career, culminating in a comprehensive collection of information that can be used as an job hunting tools. Okay, so I have here a video on how to insert video in your blog. So let's watch this.
What's up, Kadubers? How are you all? Kumusta? Sana ay okay kayong lahat dyan. Sa video ito guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo at isi-share ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-download or mag-upload na mga short video or a video clip, no? Mga short na pwede natin gamitin sa ating mga vlog para siya i-insert or i-inject. Kung napapansin niyo guys, kung napanood niyo aking mga unang vlog, aking mga unang tutorial, ay dito po, ayan, makikita niyo po paano mag-down. Kasi may nagtatanong po guys, may nag-request. Ang isa-shoutout ko muna ang nag-request nito kung paano mag-download ng isang video, short video para i-inject doon sa ating mga vlog. Napakasimple lang po ito guys. Shoutout ko muna kay si Hana Cebu Vlog. Siya po yung nag-request dito kung paano mag-download ng short video para i-inject doon sa ating mga vlog. Shoutout kay Ana Cebu Vlog, si Indayan. Ana Cebu Vlog ng Kuwait. Kuwait yata ito kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Shoutout sa iyo, Inday. Ayan, Ana Cebu Vlog. Bisaya po ni. Of course, shoutout natin ating mga kaibigan dyan, si Maria Ador. At saka si Christine May Hills, ng Amerika. Sa Amerika yata ito sila Maria Ador. At saka si Christine, kaibigan niya si Christine May Hills, mega shoutout. At saka si Exotica Pinay in Norway. Alam mo na yan, mega shoutout sa iyo. Lihay TV. Ayan, pamangkin ko ata ito ni Exotica. Shoutout ko siya. Shoutout natin dyan. Survival Suko Charisma. Suko baliktad. Of course, Reno Oats. Reno Oats. Shoutout sa iyo, kaibigan. At saka si Jing Santos. Ayan, idol ma'am. Shoutout. Kito Coach Laila, alam mo na yan, Kito. Bujingjing, shoutout sa iyo, Bujingjing. Lady Pai ng Norway, shoutout sa iyo. Si Bujingjing nasa Amerika ito, yan, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Ayan, si Lady Pai at saka si Shailin ko, shoutout po sa inyo dyan. Sa Europa yan ito, Shailin ko, sa France or sa UK, nakalimutan ko na ako. Si Lady Pai nasa Norway, Lady Davis Vlog, Little Time, alam nyo na yan. Of course, Bisayang Dako, Donald, congratulations sa iyo dong. Ayan, ang ating mga tinulungan ng Road to 1K ay sa wakas hindi siya nalagasan. Road to 1K, naging 1K na higit na siya. Congratulations, ayan. Malski Rabbit 3, shoutout sa iyo dong. Malski Rabbit 3, si Dodong Channel, ang ating amigo dong. Bigyan shoutout sa iyo dyan. Juana Productos Divine, parang nasa to sa Brazil, no? Juan Productos, ibang lahi ito, Divina. Shout out, sir. Of course, si Redel Rosales. And of course, ang ating mga kaibigan, hindi natin makalimutan mga kaibigan natin sa mga kasuti, mga ka-donors friends. Nagmula sa Pransya, Europa at Amerika, Canada, Pilipinas of course. So shoutout sa inyo lahat dyan. Nagasino po ang channel, Tech Stories, Jing Lerin, Jing Gabriel Bong Alonso, Walin TV ng Canada, Eric Channels, Spam Vlog, Purong Boy talaga, Kuya Choi, Creation Music na siya ngayon. Gian Yonski, ayan. Charity TV, Convince, at sino bang hindi ko na shoutout? Jamar Liano, uh, Johnny Wonders, mega mega shoutout sa ating lahat. Ayan, Ritzel Sumarinog, Nael Mendoza Vlog, Boom Santos, Wonderlust, mga ka-donors, family. Mega shoutout. And guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, sana ay kalimbangin mo na yan, yung ating pula dyan. Subscribe button at i-bell nyo na para masundan niyo po ang aking mga iba pang mga videos kung yun po ay yung mararapatin. Alright, punta na tayo guys sa ating, yun na nga, sa ating paano mag-upload or i-download yung short video clips para gamitin natin dun sa ating mga vlog, i-inject natin siya. So sundan niyo po guys. Alright. So, dito na nga tayo sa screen ng ating mobile phone. So here we go. Let's go to the YouTube channel. Hanapin yung mga short video. Ayan, mayroon na ako dito. Ayan, type nyo, i-click ko na lang ito. Short video. Hanap tayo ng mas short para mas madali siyang i-upload. Ito po ay ginagamit sa mga vlog. Halimbawa, let's say funny video or mga ganito, example. Yan, ito po guys. Yan. Yan naman na natin. Ayan. Punta po tayo sa share. Okay? I-share po natin siya. Copy link. Okay, and then close the window. Punta tayo ngayon sa Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Katapos mag-open ng Google Chrome, i-type nyo lang po sa taas savefrom.net. Since meron na akong savefrom.net, i-type nyo po dyan, savefrom.net. Okay? Click. Ayan na siya. Ganyan na pong kalalabasan. Nandyan na siya, savefrom.net. So, i-click natin yan, savefrom.net. Yung pong kinopya natin doon kanina na link, ipipaste lang po natin siya dito. Copy. I hope pasundan niyo po ako. Then download lang po natin siya. I-back lang natin siya para hindi yan, download ulit natin. Balikan natin siya. Ayan na. Punta tayo sa download. Then sa may tatlong dot. Download. Ayan. Ganun po kasimple guys. Open mo lang siya. Ayan na siya. Na-download na po siya. Ayan. Ganun na po kasimple mag-download ng mga short video. Sana po ay nasundan niyo po ako at marami po salamat sa lahat. At God bless you. See you around guys. Bye-bye.
Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have learned something today, and if you have a question or clarification, you can send a message to our GC. Thank you and good day.